Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping your loadout. Open Blade Ball and pick the encrypted clone slot now. You need the required key item and about 30% energy to initiate the process, because the system validates resources before cloning. Once confirmed, back up your current build to avoid accidental overwrite. This saves time if the clone fails. Press the Action button to start. The UI will run a quick verification. Watch for error icons. Then the encryption timer begins, so stay ready. Once the timer starts, configure what to copy. Pick stats, mods, or cosmetics. Each option changes the file size and encryption checks. Choose encryption strength. Low is faster, high is more secure, because stronger encryption increases time and cost. Next, allocate energy boosters to speed things up. One booster cuts time significantly, but cost rises accordingly. Make sure to review attribute conflicts, then confirm. If dependencies exist, the system prompts you to resolve them before proceeding, so handle those now. Finish by confirming the final summary, then commit the clone. This consumes the key items you set aside, so be certain. Monitor the progress bar closely. Do not close Blade Ball or interrupt the connection during finalization, because partial writes can corrupt both clone and source. Once complete, test the clone in a practice match to validate behavior. If something goes wrong, immediately restore your backup, lower the encryption strength, and retry. This often resolves incompatibility or timeout errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.